Today we're gonna be removing a battery on a Lincoln MKX. This is a 2018. And as you see, this is one of the toughest batteries I have ever seen installed in a vehicle. And I'm gonna be taking you guys step by step, of course. Anytime you're working with a battery, safety glasses, and gloves. These are all the tools that I'm using to make it as easy as possible and as fast as possible. That battery is one of the most complicated and hard position batteries I have ever seen and removed in my life. We're gonna start off with either your ratchet. I'd rather use the drill, but if you don't have the drill, the ratchet is perfectly fine. You're gonna need an extension. You are gonna need this pry tool. You're gonna need a 7 and an 8mm and a 10 key, as well as a flathead screwdriver to make it as fast and as easy as possible. With our 10mm, we're gonna go ahead and remove the terminal. We want to remove power completely while working on this vehicle. It is a bit tougher. We also have another 10mm, as you can see in there. Your best friend is gonna be this, especially if it has that little ratchet installed there in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and get in there. I found the easiest way is to use your pry tool. Come down in here, lift up. So this battery has its safety pressure pin down here under these cables. The easiest way is to go ahead and remove this intake. All you need is a flathead right here, and to remove these clips. Depending on how your setup goes, I've seen a few people just put a little bit of a wedge pull and then they're able to fit their socket in there. Unfortunately, I am not, so I will be removing this to make it a lot easier, as well as when I come to pull this up, because this is a heavy battery, I don't have to fight against the intake. The battery safety that holds it in place is going to be an 8mm. You're going to need an 8mm and an extension. I've already removed mine, and I've been moving the battery back and forth. I want to currently remove this battery. Like I said, it is heavy and you need a little bit of clearance. I did remove the intake and the filter to have a lot more room. So you want to go ahead and push it upward as much as you can. Pretty much hit it. Put your hand down carefully. You want to smush your fingers and then lift with your left arm upward. So we get this, and then we're able to lift up and over. So when it comes to installing, like I said, it is a bit tough to get all up in there and let it seat completely. So we're gonna use our pry tool. We're gonna just come in here, push it down, make sure it hugs correctly. This really makes your life a lot easier. If you don't have it, you definitely need it. Tighten it up, as well as right here. When changing the battery, it wouldn't hurt to service your filter as well. You're gonna be here working on it and removing the whole system, so might as well just go ahead and upgrade that. We're gonna go ahead and put everything back and we'll be good to go.